is that people have the right to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects. This means that there are no warrants, no searches and seizures without people's consent. Upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized.
Who is David Leon Riley? His height is 5'11", his weight is 150 pounds. David Leon Riley was a part of a Lincoln Park gang in San Diego, California. On August 2, 2009, he and other gang members shot at a car that a rival gang member was in. Then they fled the scene. The police later pulled Riley over while he was driving a different vehicle, and then they saw that he was driving with an expired license.
Details of the case. The police seized Riley's car because he was driving with an expired license. This means that they had to search the car before seizing it, which was when they found the guns. They immediately arrested Riley, who had his cell phone in his pocket at the time of his arrest. The phone was searched by a gang unit detective who found more evidence against Riley, proving his gang affiliation with photos and videos. Because of the evidence found on his cell phone, there are more charges that were brought to light, which included shooting at an occupied vehicle, attempted murder, and assault with a semi-automatic firearm. Right before his trial, Riley requested to exclude the evidence found about his gang affiliation on his cell phone. His request was denied.
The Supreme Court's ruling. David Leon Riley's gang affiliation was examined by a gang expert, and in all three courts, he was convicted and sentenced with 15 years to life in prison. The Supreme Court made a unanimous decision in favor of it.
The definition of unanimous is that if a group is unanimous, it means that they all agree on one particular topic or vote the same way. If a decision is unanimous, then it is supported by everyone in the group.
Chief Justice John G. Roberts, Jr. wrote an opinion where he says that he understands that the court holds warrantless searches following an arrest, but it only exists for the purposes of protecting a police enforcement and preserving evidence. But the thing is, a cell phone cannot be used to harm an arresting officer, and in that the police officers have ability to put the phone in a Federate bags. A Federate bag is a cell phone signal blocker that prevents radio waves that your cell phone is made to receive from entering the bag. The court also believed that the phones hold massive amounts of private information, so it basically distinguishes it from typical items that can be seized from an arrestee, like a wallet. Justice Samuel A. Alito wrote an opinion and expressed his doubt about the warrantless search exception, saying that the arrest exists for the sole or primary purposes of protecting police officer safety and preserving evidence. Justice Alito also said that legislature enacts laws draw reasonable distinctions when or what information within a phone can be searched.
Summary. Even though Riley was part of a gang, he could not be charged with this even though there was evidence. This is because the evidence of his involvement was found on his cell phone, which he did not give police permission to seize or search. Therefore, there is essentially no evidence against Riley in this case. In conclusion, the Fourth Amendment protects people from searches and seizures that they did not consent to. This protects our right to privacy as American citizens.